Watch out! Watch out!
No,
It's a ghost driving. No one's in the car.
It's actually trippy. Trippy. Like, low-key trippy. What is happening here? This car is moving.
I stopped it. We're gonna have to go back forward again. Hold on.
No one is in this freaking car.
And here, there's no one in this car. Do you see it? Oh my God.
Bye now. Scary cars.
Don't start yet. Go. This is a Tesla and it's self-driving.
Well, not yet. Come on, Dad.
Come on, self-driving. Come on, make the Tesla self-drive.
Come on.
Oh, pee-pee. What? What? GVAC.
Here goes, guys.
Hold on, I'm gonna move forward. You ready?
Yep.
Self-driving.
Okay, here it
Oh
comes.
my God.
Here it comes.
Okay.
Honk the horn.
Okay, here it goes.
No one's in this car.
World's most expensive remote control car.
Honk it.
Like,
Do you want me to honk it?
Yeah.
no one's in this car. No one.
Hold on.
Come on. No, don't.
Flash the lights. Flash the lights.
Tesla.
Bye, Cameron. Happy birthday.
Bye, wanna go take a look at my car?
No. Give me a
Tesla.
light on the wheel. Alright, I got it. Alright, self-driving.
Self-driving, yeah.
No one's in the car.
Okay, well, don't start it yet.
It's a beauty Tesla. Tesla. Uh-oh.
I don't get it.
See?
What's happening? It's not moving.
Go down the street.
It was starting to do it, and then I got the stupid.
Alright, this is gonna happen.
Restart the video. Delete this one and restart it.
Here goes.
Alright. It's gonna move. Self-driving. Tesla. See that? Yeah, this is gonna be trippy.
Why isn't it working? Oh God.
This is such a nice car.
Here goes.
Is it working yet? No, it's not.
Don't stop the video.
Tesla?
Here
Dad,
goes.
Self-driving.
Here goes.
Move. Stand over there.
Here, put that in the window.
I can't.
Come on. Here goes. Look, here goes.
Self-driving Tesla. See that? Uh-oh, something's happening.
The wheel just. Oh my God, we're moving. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh. This is so
Where are we
trippy.
going?
It's not even moving.
Holy crap.
Oh my God. Here we go. Here we go. Wait. It's gonna move back.
Oh, that's it.
Here goes. Wait.
Maybe we're going.
Oh, he's moving it to us.
You're gonna move it to us.
Oh, this is so trippy. Okay, we are moving close.
No, my phone died.
Lauren.